Welcome to channel Quant Finance. Here we are doing this very interesting application where we are doing file upload of a CSV file, comma separated files, right? And it is allowing us to choose a CSV file. So we will click this part where it says browse, and we will browse to the location where there is a CSV file. So this sample underscore data is a CSV file. So when I hover over it, it says comma separated value source file. So I will click it and open it, and you see that it gives us first the message that file upload is complete, and then it displays the contents of this file: name, age and grade of these persons, and this is what it is, right? And we achieved this in Positron IDE using app.r file and the library shiny with the essentially 8 lines of code. So here in the UI, after the fluid page layout, there is a title, right? This is title of the app, which is displayed right at the top. CSV file upload and display, and then second line of code is a file input field, and choose a CSV is just the label, and accept is equal to dot CSV does what? It lets the file upload control for CSV files only, right? So it is just ensuring that you are able to upload dot CSV files only. We will see how these files are prepared, but in a moment. And then this is a table output. This table output is this holder, this placeholder, which displays the output whatever that file has, right? Now this is the corresponding server function, and this server function ensures that file is uploaded before proceeding. So we check that. If it happens, then read and display the contents of uploaded CSV file. So this is what is happening here. Now we will see how CSV files are created. So this is you have to have Microsoft Excel open, and then you need to have this data in there, right? And if you like, you can add some data here. For example, I will add data for David, right? And then maybe last name is seller, and comma separated. So what is the age of this person? 23. What is grade of this person? A, right? I added some information here. Sure, you are saving it as a CSV file. So once you have this file, you have to save it in a folder, maybe on desktop files folder, like a folder with the name file or files. And then when you run this program, and here is again this demonstration. I am uploading the same file now, but at this time I have added one more person, David Seller 23A. So this is now displaying the updated CSV file. So this is an interesting application that would when you are creating a broader big application, this will be a very handy tool. When your application uses data and you need to provide data, then user can create data. CSV file is the file that is used to store the data. Then you can upload the data in the application and process the data. Thank you for joining. See you next time.